So this is day 5 and we are going to Israel. We are at the King Hussein border crossing. So the first thing that you have to do is cross through security. That's why I'm recording like this, because I don't know if it's allowed to record in here. The second thing that you want to do is go to your right and go to departures. There you will fill in a paper and they will control your passport. From there you go to the windows next to it, and there you will pay 10 dinars for the exit fee. With the paper that you fill in and the paper that they give you for the exit fee, you go to the arrivals windows, and there they will hold your passport until there's enough people to be carried to the next part of the border crossing. So a quick recap is security, departures, fill in the paper, pay the exit fee, go to passport control, present your passport, the paper that you fill in, the exit fee paper, and then wait until there's enough people to go to the next step. So it seems that we got enough people, so now we are moving. After waiting 1 hour and 20 minutes, we're finally moving. So yeah, now we're waiting for the next one because the one that we were supposed to take was already full. So yeah, now we're waiting. So after 2 hours that took us to go through the Palestinian border, we're finally here, and we got these tickets to take the next van to Jerusalem. You can get the tickets there on Taxi Al-Neshmeh, and it cost 11 dinar. If you pay with Israel's currency, it's a bit cheaper. And there comes another one. So this is how the van looks like. Same as before, we don't depart until the van is full.